Hey YouTube, I'm gonna do a quick video. Had an impulse buy while I was at a brand new Harbor Freight angle drill press Doyle. I did a review on the 4-inch vise. I really liked it. They didn't have a demo of this, but with discounts this weekend, this was less than $50, so impulse buy. If I don't like it, it'll go on Marketplace. But the Doyle stuff's been pretty good. Instrucciones and Allen wrenches for some reason. Requisite styrofoam. This thing is like packaged immensely nice. Okay. I wanted a good drill press vise for my tapping drill press. And I thought this was a sticker. Still might be a sticker. Just looks like there's paper on there. Okay, that's good. I'm not going to get too crazy on this, but there's a latch. Let's see. Oh, there's a pin. Okay, that's good. We got a lock lever over here. So it looks like that's dovetail. That probably had been fairly hard to machine. It's got the cool Doyle paint finish on it. I really like that. Nice. They're proud of their stuff, so good for them. The degree pointer's a little chintzy, and that looks like that's a metal plate. I wish it was more engraved, but you know, for less than 50 bucks. Looks like you got an adjustable stop to zero it out, and seems pretty smooth. It doesn't feel cheap. Yeah, I like that. I really bought this incentive-wise. One of the things I don't like chromed screws. That's okay. Looks like it's got a pretty decent opening all the way. It's 3 1/4 and just under 3 1/4 wide, jaw wise. Sorry, no M&Ms on this tape measure, otherwise I'd give you M&Ms. Really got smooth. This is really not bad. I'm gonna go grab a file because I wanna take a set of these or build a set of these jaws. I actually want to mill a step in here, so I got like built-in parallels. So yep, those jaws are hardened. They're probably medium hard, so I'll probably pull them off and build another set of jaws jaw inserts. I hate saying that because I got to still build my copper jaws for the other Doyle. But this is non-sponsored. This is all my own money. 100 subscribers, I'm not going to get anything for free from anybody. But yeah, this is a well-made machine. Well-made vise. I like it. This is try not to bust my knuckles. This is good. It's got a locking pin. But yeah. This is good. I don't know, guys. I think for 50 bucks, you're not going to go wrong with one of these. Hopefully Harbor Freight sends me some free stuff for once. But anyways, hope everybody has a happy new year. And we'll hope it's a better new year. That's all I got. Thank you.